Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you about the maxima and then the minima. If you can see, meron na tayong problem dito para di tayo mahirapan. The problem is to find the length and width of the rectangle that has the given perimeter 80 cm in the maximum area, which is rectangle yung ating gagawin dito. No? So first is para mas maintindihan natin yung problem, draw a rectangle para mag-visualize natin. Okay, draw. Okay, ito yung width. Then, if you can see, meron tayong drawing. The next is to hanapin natin yung mga formula, which is yung P, perimeter, and then A is for area. So, hanapin natin yung mga formula. Ano bang formula ng perimeter? Which is total sum ng lahat ng area. Which is 2 width plus 2L. Then sa area naman, is yung formula niya is L times width. Okay. So, next naman natin is create the equation based sa ating minimize. Okay. So, second is ating area. Length times width. Okay. If you can see, sa ating area, sa formula is bawal yung dalawa. So, ito. So, kailangan matanggal natin itong isa. So, proceed tayo sa sa problem, so which is perimeter. So 3 equals to 80 centimeter, and then yung kanyang formula is 2 width plus 2L. So i-combine natin silang dalawa, magiging 2 width plus 2L equals 80. And then tapos niyan is itong 80 is pwede itong ilagay dito, then itong L is pwede itong ilabas. Okay. 2 width plus L equal 80 minus 2L. And then minus equal naglalagay ng 2 dito para makacancel yung 2 at para maiwan yung width. So width equals 80, 2L equals 2, which is yung width natin is 40 minus L. So, if you can see, meron tayong value ng width dito. So, kasi sa area, A plus L times itong 4 minus L, yung value ng width is 40 minus L. And then, gawin natin yung polynomial. So, times 40 times L times 40. L times 40 is 40L minus L times L equals L squared. So, if you can see, kompleto na. Ito. So, next naman, hanapin naman natin yung So, dahil meron tayong given ng width, magdi-derive naman, gamit natin itong derivative of area respect to length. So, which is yung ating value nito is ito pala, ito is 40. Derivative dito, derivative dito, kung yung derivative dito is 40 minus 2L. Then, proceed tayo sa 40 minus 2L. Dito naman is nagiging equal 0 siya. So, equal 0. Then 2L is dito sa kabila. 2L. Then 40. Then, lagay tayo ng 2 para mawala yung itong 2 para maiwan yung L. And then, divide sa 40, which is ito ay magiging 20 na lang. If you can see, meron na tayong value ng L. So, which is ito. Dun sa width naman natin, dahil meron na itong width natin is width equals 40 minus 20 equals width equals 20. If you can see, meron na tayong parehas na value ng length tsaka ng width. Width is, ito ay 20, and then this is 20, this is 20, and this is 20. No. So ang tanong is the maximum area. So ano ba yung pinaka-maximum area niya? So if you can see, meron na tayong lahat ng formula. So gamitin natin ang A because L times width, no? Take the A, then substitute lahat ng mga ito, 20 plus 20. So 20 times 20 is equal to 400. So if you can see, ito yung ating final answer. So ito yung value ng L, value ng width, and then value ng maximum area or centimeter squared. Okay, ito yung value ng maximum area. If you can see na may kadalian kung ating aaralin ng mabuti. So, yun lang.